see about decoupage. Okay, antique decoupage. We are going to see about that. I am Savita Manoj, one of the Fevicryl tutor, expert Fevicryl tutor. See here, I am going to deal with the decoupage. It's not an ordinary decoupage. It's going to be a antique decoupage. Okay. For the materials, what all required, I'll tell. You just note it down. Any white board, I have told. Anything, any wooden board or any type of white board you can take. Or if you have a wooden board, you give one primer coat of it and have it. Okay, I'm having a board which is on which I have done a white paint or primer coat you can give. Okay, then decoupage sheets like this, it is available. It is available like this. Decoupage sheets are available. If not, you can use any greeting card or posters or anything like that. Greeting cards you can use or posters you can use. Other than that, the materials are like brushes you need, flat and round brushes. Flat brushes and round brushes you need, and acrylic colors, molded clay. Few minutes, I'll show you all the things. Board you need, and then the sheet, what I want, I have cut and I have kept it. And then acrylic colors, whichever color you want, you can take it, and molded clay. And the main important product is Mod Podge we need. We'll be pasting the pictures only with the Mod Podge. The clay and the Mod Podge you need. These are the materials we will be using. And one more thing is Fevicol MR I'm going to use. Fevicol I'm going to use. Okay. This is going to be the background effect with the Fevicol. We are going to do it. Here you are going to see something peculiar thing you are going to see. Nothing but like antique work, like crackled effect of the board you are going to see. Okay, before doing all those things, just we can see about the decoupage patch alone. Anything like photo or poster or greeting card, anything you can take. You can just make a cut of it, and then you need to paste it here. Wherever it is required, like whichever place you want. If you want only half of the thing, just you can take this alone, this part alone, and you can paste it in the center, and around you can do it with a background, that antique effect you can give. Between that both we'll be giving a molded clay outline alone. Too much of molded we are not going to use. It's going to be only very simple, like one line of molded alone we are going to use. Okay. When you're, this is the decoupage paper, okay? It is available in so many ways. It is sold. Like these, some papers like this also it is available. So many designs are there. Whichever design you prefer, you can get and you can use it. Other designs like this also it is available. Some antique designs and all. What ma?
क्या आप हिंदी में बोल सकते हैं?
No ma, I can communicate only in English, Tamil and Telugu. If you want, I can tell you. Okay. Any doubt you can message me separately. I can tell you about that. See this type of thing and all. You can use this paper, whole paper. You can use, or
ma'am,
you can use the whole paper, or you can use part of the papers alone. If you want this alone, you can use this alone. You can use it. Likewise, I have taken, like it is going to be the Mother's Day gift, no? So I thought I can use some lady picture so that it will be a highlight. Okay. So I thought I can use this. This I am going to use for pasting this. If you are going to use any thick sheets from invitations or greeting card, then you can apply. You think that this is the greeting card. Apply wet water around it. Nicely you wet it. You just roll it down the paper. The other paper which is at the back, no, it will start coming out. Slowly remove the paper, and then you can use that on the board or plate or whatever maybe, or wooden sheet or anything. Canvas board also you can use. Whichever thing you want, you can use it. Okay. This can be. Now I'll start with the work. First, initially, I'm going to paste this paper Later, we are going to do the background part. For that, I'm going to apply here little bit of Mod Podge I'm going to take, and with flat brush, we need to apply that. Okay. See that you are applying it smoothly. With water, you can apply that. Okay. Very smoothly, you apply it.
Ma'am, what are you applying?
Mod Podge, or you can even paste it with Fevicol. It is not that you have to use only this. This can be also used. Okay. This will be using it both on both the sides. We'll be using it. See, I've pasted it. Just paste it in such a way that from one direction you start pressing the paper. So from here I'm starting. You just, without having any wrinkles or any air gap in between, no, you have to raise the paper neatly and then you just paste it. From one side you have to do it so that it looks as such it is printed on the board or paper. It should be in such a way, it should be pasted in that way. Okay. Take enough water and do that. Very neatly you have to do this. You can even use your photos or anything like that to do it. Okay. Now we have done this part. Okay. Now it is pasted. On this we have to make one more coating of Mod Podge you are going to give. Take water and just wipe it neatly on that. So it looks like it is printed on the board or paper. Okay. Whatever thing it is, if it is a plate or something, I'll show you at last. In the end, I'll show you other works of mine with decoupage. Okay. Neatly, you just paste this. Now, what I'm going to do is, see that any brush strokes and all, it is not. This has to be taken care and done neatly without giving any pressure. You have to apply the Mod Podge or Fevicol you can use. If you don't have Mod Podge, you can use Fevicol with water. After making this part of thing, no, I'm going to show like crackled effect I'm going to show on this. For that, what I'm going to do is, you need to choose two colors. Two colors you need to choose. One is a dark color and the other it can be a contrast of it. I'm going to apply light color over the board and later I'm going to apply the Fevicol MR. This is the Fevicol MR. I'm going to apply that, and on that, before the Fevicol dries, no, we'll be applying one more color that I have chosen as dark brown. Dark brown I have chosen. Okay. Few minutes, I'll apply the lighter color. Lighter color contrast to brown. You should not use anything like metallic colors. No, this cannot be given as the top coat. This can be given only as the bottom coat. Okay. So I'm going to give this gold color, or you can have a rustic color if you want. You can give the rust color. You can give as a base coat. But brown color and rust color, it is similar, isn't it? So I'm going to give something like anti-gold effect I'm going to give. Gold I'm going to give over this place. And later on that, we'll be using brown. See, slowly I'm just applying gold color over this part. For base coat, you can use metallic colors, but for the top coat, you can't use metallic colors just because on metallic colors, the crackle effect will not come properly. So this should be taken into account. Have it in your mind or just note it down. Whole of the board. Not over the picture and all. Just apply it where required. Be careful you don't apply inside the paper what we have pasted. While the application is done, see that it is done only on the required part. So that in the cracks which is seen no on the, in that we'll be seeing this gold color. Okay.
Yes.
This is such a nice, easy craft, very attractive. It look like we have got the thing. No one will tell that it is made by us. Okay. Such a nice
Excuse me, ma'am.
all other works of mine also, so that it will be easy for you.
Ma'am, will you send the recording?
What, ma?
Ma'am, will you send the recording?
Excuse me, ma'am.
That later I'll tell you, ma. I'm recording it. I'll be.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I'm joining another device. Ma'am, you can admit me, ma'am.
Okay, okay, ma.
Yes, ma'am.
Then the color is not proper in any place. You just check that and apply once again. See that the color doesn't show like marks, okay? But this is going to be only the base coat, so you need not worry at all. Top coat, it is going to be some other color. It is not that you have to use only metallic color. You can use any normal colors also, normal acrylic colors also, you can very well use it. I thought for this work it will be good, and so I am using this metallic color, okay? Yeah, we have completed coloring on whole of the board. To all the places, you just make it like this. Randomly, you just do it. Then now what we are going to do is we are going to apply Fevicol over this part. This portion alone we are going to do. Before applying Fevicol, it is better I'll use the boundary line here. This part I'm going to give one small zigzag boundary line, which is not going to be a perfect one. For that, I'm going to use molded clay. The people, those who have attended my class earlier, you must have known about this product. It is the molded clay. It's a chemical clay. It has 2 packs inside this. Each pack you have to take same amount of clay and mix it nicely. While mixing, you can add the dust powder in your hand. You just powder dust powder in your hand and start mixing the clay. Equal amount of clay should be taken. I'm just taking a very small little amount of clay. Few minutes, let this dry. Just mix it, putting it inside and outside. The people, those who are attending my class regularly, they will know more about this clay. Such a nice product. What I am teaching today is very simple decoupage work only I am teaching. It is very easy. Anyone can do it. You need not have any idea of if you know to draw only you can do, or if you know to paint only can do it. Nothing like that. Like whoever is interested in doing this, you can very well do it. See, make it into thin lines like this. Just make it into a thin thread-like lines. You make it. And just place it in a place with where the gold and the paper is intersecting. Okay. Keep it in a zigzag manner. Just place it like this. In zigzag manner, you place it. Whole of the thing, like you will be covering like this. So mix the clay according to your requirement only. Don't mix whole of the pack and all. It will get, it will be wasted only then. Dust and keep the powder in your table or anything so that it will be easy for you to. Inside also we'll be doing some unevenly you do the pasting. Okay, it need not be proper zigzag and all. You just make it uneven. Inside, let it be pasted to the board. Okay, outside, let it be embossed like this. See, one part from inside I am doing. Can you all see like how I am doing? Inside part, I am just pressing it like this so that it is getting pasted towards the board. And outside, let it be embossed. Make it embossed like this. Same way, top part and the side also you're going to do. If this clay is mixed and kept for a longer time, it may get hard, okay? It will become hard. So you have to be careful enough. To paste it fast. Inside this portion and all, we'll be doing some color touch-ups and all we'll be doing. So don't worry, okay? Only the inside part alone, I am just keeping it like this. It need not be same like all through. This crackle effect, you can do it in so many boards, you can do it. This is one of the texturing work, which is really good and it looks the antique effect. That we'll be doing it in the portion where we have not done the thing. Here, this are the outside part. The inside part only, I'm just pressing outside, let it be zigzag only. I need little more clay, I'll just mix it and I'll place. For this work, you need not have too much of clay and all. Very little is enough. Just to have the highlight alone only, I'm keeping it. In some other class like decoupage with mural work, I'll teach you. That before that, I want to take the class about this. That's why I've taken this. Next coming classes and all, you can have those things and all. Little bit higher version of this you have to take. Slowly, you just mix the clay. We have mixed it. Unevenly, I'm just pasting it. Inside part, I'm just pressing it in the way how we want. Slowly, I'm doing the touch up at the bottom. Yeah, this let it dry. Now we can apply one Fevicol coating over this place. Around this we can do the Fevicol coating. Fevicol coating should be very heavy, thick coating of Fevicol should be given. After using the brush for Fevicol, you can I'm just pouring it so that it will be easy for me to apply. So while you are doing it, be careful. If you have enough time, take it in a brush and do it properly. Okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, why you are pouring the glue, ma'am?
That's what, to give the background effect, I'm just pouring it here. Crackle effect, I'm going to go in this.
Yes, ma'am.
Fevicol we need to have here. It can
Yes,
be any
ma'am.
type of Fevicol. MR will be very nice. More than pouring it in some other thing and wasting the glue over that place, I'm just pouring it in the board. Okay? Just to save Fevicol only. I want the Fevicol to be thick enough. Very thick it should be, only then we'll have the cracks in a deeper way. Like more Fevicol, more cracks, and longer and deeper it will be. Before the Fevicol dries, I'll be applying the color over this. The direction of the color, how we are applying, in that direction only the cracks also will form. So you should be radial type of cracks. You can just do it from inside to outside, okay? Or outside to inside you can give. Or if you want painting in this way. So this application and all not the application of the second color, no. Over this, I'm going to apply one more color. That is very important.
Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
I came late to the class. Can you just tell what you have done?
See, we have taken a decoupage paper and we have pasted it. And after that, I'm doing the crackle effect at the background. Okay. Just continue seeing this. Later, I'll explain about these things later. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Just apply Fevicol over all the places. It should be thick enough. Only then we'll have the crackle. Earlier, we were using only crackle medium. That is costing really higher, which we can't even afford. That's why now it is a beautiful thing. We have found out that with Fevicol, we are getting the same effect with very less amount of what you are spending for the Fevicol. Okay. In Amazon or in other online stores and all, you get crackle medium itself. That nowadays it is not necessary at all. In foreign, they use only those mediums to get the crackle effect. But we have such a beautiful product like Fevicol MR is there for us to do the crackle effect. This is such a great thing actually we have to tell. With very less amount, you are going to have a great effects. See this color, this acrylic color like brown I have taken. Take it in any palette or any box or plate or anything like that. You mix it with water so that it comes to a flowing consistency. You have to mix like this with water and just see that it is dropping out like this. Or even more diluted if you want also, you can take it. Touch little water and take. Just pour it. Have it in a very...
Ma'am, is it Bolsena or dark
so
brown?
that it is flowing nicely. You can keep so much because this should be done before this dries. Okay. So this part, before it dries, we have to do this. So earlier you mix and keep these things.
Ma'am, is it burnt sienna or dark brown?
Mute yourself, everyone.
Ma'am, is it burnt sienna or dark brown?
Now this application is very important that if we apply this vertical, you will get the cracks in a vertical way. Or if you are going to apply it in a horizontal manner like sleeping line, you are going to get cracks in sleeping line manner. For this work, I feel like radial coating will be better because it look like rays. Okay, so from inside to outside, I'm just going to apply the color. Application, we should take care that it should be applied in such a way that very lightly you have to give pressure. You should not spoil the Fevicol which is under. Very lightly you're going to do that. Okay, slowly without any pressure. Just because of this application only we are pouring too much of water. This I'm doing it in a rate way. From inside to outside I'm doing, so the cracks also will be forming from inside.
ఆఫ్ చేయాలంటే అట్లా కింద పెట్టిడో సవిత మనిషి ఎంత పేరు ఉండారో దాని టెంట్లదా దానికి పైసా వచ్చిన
Just mute
చూడాలంటే
yourself, everyone. Just mute yourself, everyone. Just mute yourself, everyone. See, I want you to do it in such a way that it is like it is done from inside to outside. Okay. If you feel that the flow is not proper, then you can take little water, mix it to the paint and then apply. I'm doing it in a vertical direction. Okay, not like vertical, radial. So from outside to inside, I'm just doing it. Mute yourself, everyone. See, application should be in this direction. I am doing it like this. I want the cracks to be in this direction. So I'm making it like this. Without disturbing the bottom layer of Fevicol, you need to apply it in such a way that very smoothly you have to apply. If you start applying like pulling the Fevicol and all, you will not get any cracks. For so many background effects and all, this type of painting is very much helpful. Okay. This Fevicol, now it is seen as white color. Okay, when it dries, the bottom color gold, what we have given, no, that will be seen in the cracks which is formed out of this Fevicol. So you need to wait for a long time to get the cracks seen in the board. When you feel that the color is not flowing properly, touch little water and do it. This is a recurring meeting only. So when the link gets cut, you just join again with the same link. Okay. See, very slowly I'm applying the Fevicol without disturbing Fevicol. Okay. Application of Fevicol and the bottom color, you need not be particular at all. But application of the topmost color, what we are giving, no, that should be given in the direction how we require. I think it is visible for all. It's such a new work, everyone can try. Even small children, they'll be very much happy if you do such works. You can even use your photographs for doing such work. It can be done on plates, cups, anything can be used. Now you can see very slowly some of the parts like cracks are going to come. Now what I am going to do is, without disturbing this area, the background area, I am going to show you how we are going to color it inside. If the connection is cut, don't worry. You can again join with the same link. Okay. So very slowly you can see the direction how I applied the color. You are getting the cracks. Can you all see? This I can't lift and show you also. After when it is dried, I'll just share the photo in the group. You can follow that. Okay. This is what we have done. Inside we need to give patchwork and all. Like this part I'm going to do a patchwork. Patchwork in the sense on the patchwork we are going to show the colors. Later at last we'll be doing the painting for this. Okay, this outline. We want this flowers and the lady and the thing, everything should be bright, isn't it? For that I'm using a thin brush. Any pointed brush you can take. And you can do light touch-up like whichever color flowers or dress or whatever you want to do the touch-ups and all, you can very well do it. If you want sparkle colors also you can use, but now for this work, I don't think so sparkle color will be good. It will spoil the mood of the picture itself. So I'm just going to take salmon pink and paint for these flowers. Little touch-ups alone you can give so that it looks little bright. I'm using salmon pink and little touch-ups alone I'm going to give so that it looks little bright. It should be coherent and relevant to the picture, okay? You should not spoil the picture while doing the touch-ups and all. For the red spaces alone, I'm just making it with salmon pink, okay? If you want, you can touch up with even crimson you can use and you can do the touch-ups. Very lightly I'm doing it. Without spoiling the picture's mood, you have to do it. And the leaves and all, I'm going to take a sap green and I'm going to do the touch-up. Like now you can see like how it was earlier and now how it is. Very slowly you can do the touch-ups. With wet brush, I'm just merging the colors alone.
Ma'am, can we do this in the bottle also?
Yeah, you can very well do. It is such a nice work, bottle decoupage and all. Nowadays, it is a trend.
And ma'am, this you have used a brown color or burnt sienna?
Burnt sienna I have not used. I have used dark brown, okay?
Okay, okay.
See, I'm using sap green to do this. Flowers alone, that leaves alone, I'm just making it with sap green. Making it bright. If you want to change the dress of the color also, you can just do it. Wherever leaves are there, I'm just making it with sap green. So that it looks bright. It is not compulsory. When you are going to paste your photos and all, don't try these things, okay? Then it may not be good. See, even in her hand, she has got some flower. I can. Even for that flowers also, I can have salmon pink. I'm going to do. Finish with the salmon pink alone. Want to merge the colors? You can just merge it so that you get a real flower effect. Okay, so that it looks as how it was before. Yeah. Now the outer part, no, this part I want it to be in light blue color, okay? So I'm going to take light blue and smudge the colors over that part. For this, you need not touch too much of water and all much. Just I'm taking blue. I'm just doing it little white. If you want, you can merge the colors. And for the dress, if you want, you can change the color of the dress or something like that. Multicolor also you can give. Very slowly you can see the cracks which will be visible at the outside of the thing. Till here I'm giving the blue and little bit of white can be taken and you can merge the color, or you want any other color like yellow or anything you want, you can use it. Only with acrylic colors you can do such works, okay? It's not that you can use all the poster colors or oil colors and all, you can't. Only with acrylic colors you can do this. Very slowly with white I'm doing it so that before the blue dries, no, you are merging the colors. You should be little bit fast. See that it is done neatly and nicely, okay? Just dab the colors, even that also it will give a beautiful effect. Acrylic color is such that it will dry very fast. Before that, we need to do the background. Just very slightly I'm doing the merging of the colors. With white I'm doing it, okay? If you want to change the color of the dress, anything very light in color, anything like you want to change the dress, you can do it. I'm making it bright with neon pink, okay? You can use neon pink or any other color if you want also, you can just use that. I'll take violet. I'm taking lavender color, okay? Violet, very lightly I'm going to spread so that with white I'm going to spread the colors. Wherever the tint of the dress color is more, no, there alone I'm going to give the violet. Very slightly I'm doing it. Can you all see? Like very lightly only it is visible. These are the parts where the color of the dress is darkened, okay? That part alone I'm just applying little more violet. Like it should be shown as a cloth. The drapery and all, it should be seen nicely. Okay, such a cute girl holding flowers. And some bow and all, it is there, no? For that and all, I'm doing the highlight. If you want the hair to be changed to a little bit violet, I'm just making it violet, okay? With white, you can do the merging of the colors. Very slowly you need to do this work. Don't apply too much of color, then it will spoil the work.
And for this, decoupage tissue also can be used, right?
What, ma?
Decoupage tissue.
Yeah, if you can use, but see that it is not sticking to the area where we are coloring, okay? You should be really You should know about the coloring pattern and all. Only then you can use tissue and all. It's little bit difficult.
Okay, this you have used the card only, no?
Yeah. These are decoupage sheets, okay?
Oh,
If you are going to use cards, you have to remove the paper at the back side of the thing and then you have to use it, okay?
okay, okay.
Any greeting card, anything can be used. I'm just changing the color to lavender because that was pale in color, no, which was not visible. That's why I'm changing the color of the dress. If you want it to be somewhat white also, if you want, you can mix it with this. Before the color dries, no, we have to do these works. Otherwise, it will not merge and it will look odd, okay? Yeah, I finished with this. And the head portion, that crown, just I'm making it a little bit with white. And those places wherever you can touch with the colors, you can do the corrections and all. If you want, you can do it. Or if you feel that you can't do that, then leave it as such itself. Don't spoil the picture. I'm taking a little bit of black and I'm going to do the correction over that hat portion. See that it is not visible odd. You can merge with little of white or some other color you can. Too much of black and all, don't touch, ma. Be careful while taking the colors. This part we have completed, okay? And with brown or with yellow, you can do little of the corrections in the face and in the hand. If you are capable enough to do these things, do it. Otherwise, don't touch at all, okay? This portion alone, I'm just showing like the hand portion, I'm just making the markings, okay? Yeah, that I'm going to do merge with the skin tone. So that little bit bright it is. It is very fast in drying, so you should be very fast in giving the colors and all. While touching for the face and all, see that it is, you do it. Otherwise, don't do this. Yeah, I've completed making for the very lightly. I'm merging the colors. Do it very, very carefully. Yeah, I've completed this part. With brown only, I'm merging with black, okay? Our work inside is also complete now. Now between these both, this line is alone there. On that, we are going to do the painting. For that, you can use either black or with gold you can give. Whichever you prefer, you can do it. Now that I am going to do that with gold inside, okay? That same gold, what we use for the metallic color, no? That same color I am going to use. Mummy? See, inside portion alone, inside portion alone, just I am making.
Ma'am, your voice is so breaking.
Now is it okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Very slowly, the inside part alone, I am just making it with gold. Where we try to receive the embossed effect, that part alone I am making it with gold.
Ma'am,
What, ma'am?
which color?
See, gold I am giving a metallic color.
Okay, ma'am.
Till the last part I'm just giving that. Even bottom, I just cover it a little bit with gold. You can even take your mom's photo and do such things and give, okay? She'll feel very happy. You can have, instead of this girl, you can just paste your mom's photo and you can give it as a gift. Later, all the color, everything is drying. After drying the things, you can give one coat of Mod Podge. Just apply neatly over that place alone, where it is required. Since the color outside it is not dried, it is very difficult for me to do the coloring. When you are doing that, you just finish all these things, then even go for the outermost background effect, okay? I want to show it earlier because this has to dry, no? Only then you will be able to see the effect of the Fevicol and the crackle effect and all you will be able to see. Just because of that only I made this first and then I did this coloring and all. If you want finish everything like this, last you do this work and you can have a finished work fast, okay? Wherever the color is not proper, you just make a touch up of it. You can either do this with gold or with black you can do. See, only when this part, I'm going to give black beneath this gold, okay? That has to be done only when the Fevicol coating at outside is dried. Just because you are waiting for seeing the finished product, I'm just making it now itself. But when you are doing, don't do that. Before the color dries, don't do that. You have to do it later only. At last, you have to do. When everything is dried and everything is clear, no? Last, you do that. Later, you do the Mod Podge work. I'm just giving black at the outside part. Outside, I'm going to do it with black. Actually, my board, it is not dried, ma. I'm doing it now. But when you are doing it, just don't follow this. It will be very difficult for us to color now. Just to have the finished effect, I'm doing it now itself. Be careful when you are doing it. This is the work for today. Everyone like this work? How is the decoupage? Can you understand? Any doubts you can ask me?
Where can we get the decoupage paper, ma'am?
Decoupage paper, it is available even online, ma. If you want, you can get it. And so many places nowadays it is available. All the stationery shops and fancy stores and all, even they have that. Don't go for decoupage papers. Even you can use your greeting cards or any textbooks, what you have, no? The old textbooks and all, if you have any favorite pictures, even that can be used. Okay?
Ma'am, can we do the decoupage in butter paper and stick it on canvas?
Butter paper, what for you're asking?
Can we do the decoupage on butter paper and stick it on canvas, ma'am?
No need to directly, you can stick it in canvas itself. Why do you want to stick it in butter paper and stick? I don't know why you are
Okay,
asking for it. You need not go for butter paper and all, okay?
Ma'am, I use homemade decor paper, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Like greeting cards and invitation cards, all those things you can use. This is our finished thing, finished article, okay? This is going to be like this.
Ma'am, can you just
can see
repeat
the
it once
cracks.
again?
Can you see the cracks like white lines over this place? Only this much I can lift and show. Can you all see the cracks with where it's going to come? Then when the cracks, everything comes, I'll show you like taking a photo, I'll send it in the group. Any doubts you can ask me? This is a very simple antique decoupage work what we have shown you. Okay, you can even have some difficult things if you want, you can do it. Photos you can keep, photos are fully even, you can just cover it with molded here, and outside you can have such effects. These are all your imagination only. You can do it however you want. Myself, I have done like this. It is not that you have to do only this way. You can have it till here even. You can have your group photo even. Anything like that you can try.
Ma'am, can you just tell me after the crackle comes, should we have to put any varnish or anything?
Yeah, later at last I asked you to use this Mod Podge. Okay, can you see this product? Fevicryl Mod Podge product is available. If not, this is not available, then you can use Fevicol MR or SH with little water. You can give one coating. If varnish is available also, you can just put a varnish coat. That this Mod Podge work now I can't do just because this has not dried. This portion it is not dried, okay? Only after this Fevicol part and the crackle effect has come out well, we can give the Mod Podge and I can show you the thing.
Ma'am, instead of Mod Podge, what can we give, ma'am?
You can give Fevicol with water. Fevicol with little water you add, make it into a dilute thing, then you can just apply a coat. Okay? One part of Fevicol with 3 to 4 parts of water even you can mix and give. You'll have a shiny look of the article, okay? Then you finish giving the coating.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Any other doubts, ma'am? I'll show you some other products which I have done with this. Few minutes you wait. I'll just clear the place and I'll show you. Few of my decoupage works I'll just show you as a model, okay?
Ma'am, you have made something like this many, ma'am. Can you show
That's
it?
what I'll show you the other sample products, okay? On which all you can make, I'll show you. See, this is on this, I'll show you the Mod Podge work, okay? See, this is nothing but here I have pasted the thing. Here I have not given any molded clay or anything like that. The Fevicol application alone, I have made it here. This part alone, I have made it. Then I have pasted the decoupage sheet over this place. This like hanging, we can use it. Okay, in kitchen and all, or in dining hall, you can use such.
Ma'am, this is board, huh?
Yeah, this is board. This is normal MDF board. Okay, that same board only what I used earlier for that girl. No, same board only is this also. See, in this I'll show you how to use the Mod Podge. Okay, Mod Podge, after this here the crackle effect and all you can see very well. You can see isn't it? This portion and all you can see the crackle effect. After that is dried and this part also dried only, we'll be using this Mod Podge. So you apply Mod Podge over this place and take more of water. Take a flat brush with lot of water and just apply it over this. 1 second, I'm not washed it. Whenever using the brush, no, you see that you are using the washed wiped brush you are using. Okay. Apply it fully. This like this only one coating of Fevicol with water also can be given. Thick coating if you give, no, you'll get some nice shining effect will be there. It will act as a preservative coat also. Okay. Now after application, this will be like this, like it is something like white color only, isn't it? But after it dries, you will have a beautiful effect, like shiny coat will be there. While applying the color, see that the strokes are not seen. Okay, touch little water and apply it in such a way that you don't give so much pressure also. Do it neatly. Whatever is spilled also, you can just cover it like this. Such a way you have completed this Mod Podge coating also I have shown you now. Okay, the same way only you need to do the Mod Podge coating. Okay, this we have completed. I'll show you some other products which I have done. Like decoupage itself I have done. We can do this even on parts we can do. Or plates we can do, or potato. See, this is a very small thing, like from greeting card I have taken these birds. I have removed the paper. And then backside paper we have to remove it and we have to paste it over this. On this I've given a coating of Fevicol with that color, no, the topmost color, and bottom layer I have taken it as blue, and topmost color I have taken it as yellow. And so on the gaps of that cracks, no, you can see the blue base coat. Okay. Then on that I have given like the top coat, the yellow coat I have given it in a slanting way. So you get the cracks also in this slanting way. Okay. Then we have to give the Mod Podge or any Fevicol coating on this if we give. This is something like table coaster. Okay. Here I have given one wordings also, friends or for sharing. Something like that also you can have. Anything like I love you mom or something like that also you can write and keep. And this is one more thing like plate, no? I've used a plate. On the plate, is it visible, ma? Here in the center part, I have done the pasting, and 3 or 4 colors I have used for the outermost. With sponging effect, I have done the work. Everyone, can you see this? This also, it will look like something antique effect only it will look. Yeah, I think it is visible to everyone, isn't it? Yeah, okay, ma. And one more thing I can show you on pot what I have done. See, this is the other product. This on plate we have done, and this is the other product, like small pot. Okay, I think I can't focus. See, like this. Can you all see? See, this is the greeting card from which I have taken, and these are the paintings which I have done on my home. Okay, like this in the pot also you can just do it. The center figure, the bell, and this alone I have taken it from the greeting card, taken the backside paper, and then I have pasted it. According to that, relevantly I have painted over this place. Okay, backside also I have done the painting. All the side, like using a sponge, we can do this. Or with brush also, dabbing strokes you can give, and you can do this. This will also make the pot really good. This is a very simple pot decoration decoupage. And this I have done it in a plate. This is also, it is very simple only. You can use even your photographs to do such decoupage works. Try, okay? Any doubt you can ask me? If you have any doubts, you can ask me.
When you do in the bottle, when you are doing that crackle effect, then one side of the
So
bottle.
that is, you can keep the bottles in a flat manner, like in a horizontal way, you can do that and try. Okay? On bottle, if you want, you can have the crackle effect like one color alone. Apply Fevicol alone without giving even the bottom color. You can just do it. So you will have the color of the bottle seen in that. Okay, that also it will look good on
That
it.
means we can do in at a time, we can do only in one side, no?
Couldn't follow you?
Ma'am, the bottle is round in shape. So
Yes.
at a time, the crackle effect can be done only in one side, no?
Crackle effect, I don't think so. That's very good in bottles, okay? If you have at least any tissue paper sticked on it or anything to one side and one side, you can just keep it in such a way that it is kept between two things, which is stable enough. Then do it in one side alone. Not whole of the bottle, it is very difficult. It will take time.
Yes. That's what
Yeah.
I'm asking. Okay, thank you.
Any other doubts, ma? Now you can see like how much of cracks it has come. Actually, this is not the right thing to tilt it now itself. It has to dry. You can see the cracks. Yeah, beautiful cracks are emerging. We need to give little time for it to dry, okay? I want more submissions. Other than these, if you want to learn drawing or calligraphy or handwriting or those things also, I'm taking class. Like you can contact me and you can know about that. Order works also I'm just doing. Whoever wants to have anything special, customized orders and all is there, we can do it. Okay, thank you all. I think I've explained all the things and you are clear about it. You can very well use Fevicol Ma instead of Mod Podge. Not necessary, okay? Veera. Yeah, yes, you can use, okay? Thank you. Thank you all. You can leave.
Thank you, ma'am.